Hello everyone, this is Travis Bates from MLC CAD Systems here to bring you a tech tip on how to properly tension the belt on the industrial series printers from Markforged. For optimal operation, it is important that the belt tension is maintained at the correct level. High belt tension will contribute to premature bearing wear, and low belt tension can lead to reduced printing accuracy and/or dislocations. Since the belts may stretch over time, it is recommended that users occasionally, every 100 prints or so, measure belt tension and adjust as necessary. To adjust belt tension on your printer, you will need the following: the Pano Tuner app installed on your mobile device. You're going to want to make sure to set the tolerance field to plus or minus 10 cents, and a 3mm hex wrench. First, you will want to make sure that the printer is turned off. This is done by flipping the power switch on the back of the machine. Next, you want to manually move the printhead to a position that allows for space for plucking the belt underneath the Y rail opposite of the printhead. To now open the Pano Tuner app on your mobile device, and you would want to place your phone's microphones close to, but not touching the belt, opposite of the printhead. Now pluck the belt as if it was a guitar string. Wait for a couple of seconds to view your results. Now use your 3mm hex wrench to adjust the belt tensioner until a frequency of 82 to 84 Hz is read by the Pano Tuner app. Here are a few tips for the best results. Make measurements in quiet surroundings. If you cannot count on a quiet environment, consider investing in a shotgun condenser microphone to plug into your mobile device. Remove any protective casing on your phone if necessary to get the most accurate reading of frequency. Place the phone's microphone close to, but not touching the belt. Do not overpluck the belt such that it vibrates against the gantry plate. When you initially pluck the belt, it will produce harmonics at multiples of the fundamental frequency. These quickly die off and you are left with only the fundamental frequency. For this reason, ignore the early readings that appear to be a multiple of your target. With a little practice, you will obtain highly repeatable and accurate results in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for viewing this tech tip on properly adjusting the belt tension on your industrial series printers from Markforged. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact MLC CAD Systems at 3dprintersupport@mlc-cad.com.